Deepika before you. Thank you so much for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to speak on this topic. And today's my topic is, do we really need smart city? And my opinion is no. We do not really need smart city because our Indian people think we need smart city. We can depend on gadgets, and stranger have help from gadgets to uh, scams and hacking the mobiles. And Indian mothers think that our child studying mobile, but our child what doing mobile, there they know that, but they only see phones. And what about children's education? They do not think about that. I speak about government and villages. There are so badly. I go in so many villages. Villages roads are so bad. There are so many muds on road, and uh, villages in villages store, they do not have any company of rice all groceries of girl safety. There is no girl safety for one person or 2%. And I, uh, 2 years I educated in village school, and I so many girls. I thought there are 4 girls here in my class, they kidnapped by so badly. And I think about it in some cities like Delhi, Mumbai, uh, Aurangabad, Shambhajinagar. They have, you say they are smart city, but they are not fully smart city. They now, yes, day before yesterday in Delhi have a kidnap. Um, 2 boys are going to school, and they kidnap from bus stand. And they are not taking the action for that students, their 2 childs. Some students say we want smart digital working gadgets. Laptop have a virus that capture us. And students play games in laptops, tabs, and they do not get education from mobiles. We we think about the nature. India is known as nature country. I also see so many cities. There are good teachers, but in difficult difficult ways. I do not think they are teaching good. And that brother said, we need we need we need good groceries in village, one brother said. But in my eyes, government don't do anything for villages. They only progressing the Mumbai, Delhi, some. There are big cities like Nagpur and other cities. And in big city, girls safety is not properly. Girls are wearing weird clothes and walking on the road. And in smart city, strangers and boys have new gadgets for hacking the girls mobile or boys mobile. And they hack, and they blackmail each others. My thinking is, why government do not think about girl safety, uh, village groceries, roads, and many more things. And I saw so many students are good in education, but government school or any school give the less percentage to their student,